Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to mask in Premiere Pro. I want to add an effect to the car without affecting the background. So first, hold down Alt and drag your video clip upward to duplicate it. Select the duplicate, then head over to the Effect Controls panel and look for the Opacity section. You'll see three icons, one for creating an ellipse mask, one for a rectangle mask, and one for a free draw Bezier tool. For this tutorial, let's go with the free draw Bezier tool. To start drawing, click on any edge or corner of your subject to mark the starting point. Continue clicking until you've drawn your mask around your subject. If an area is curved, click and drag to draw a curved line. Adjust the position of the mask by holding down the Control key and clicking and dragging the points. If you make a mistake, simply press Ctrl-Z to undo the action. To close the mask, simply click on the starting point again. Now let's add an effect. Head to the Effects panel and choose any effect from the Video Effects folder. Drag and drop your selected effect onto your video clip to add it. Head over to the Effect Controls panel and find the effect. Make the necessary adjustments to achieve your desired result. If you need softer or sharper edges, you can adjust the feathering of the mask. Refine the selection further by adjusting other settings for the mask. If your subject is moving, you will need to animate the mask. First, move the playhead back to the beginning of the clip. In the Effect Controls panel, look for Mask Path. To track the movement of the subject from this point, click on the play button and give it a few seconds or minutes to do its thing. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.